Okay, so you have to understand we made a minor...
Hey, listen, man. It was just a little, very understandable, by the way. Little mishap.
I'm Nathan.
I'm Jaden.
Okay. I'm Nathan, this is Jaden. We're trying to become the next CCA-TV host. Can we interview you for like a quick few seconds?
Sure.
Yes. That's massive, bro. Dude!
First interview?
Oh
There's
my
no
God.
way they don't let us in now.
Bro.
That's crazy. Like,
I know this interview is going to be so good as well. Must be practicing for Raven Idol.
I originally was not going to do Raven Idol, but my friend Maya, who was the senior last year that I did it with, really wanted me to play guitar for her and do background vocals, so I was like, why not? It was a really fun thing that I did with my friends. I sang Pink Pony Club by Chapel Roan and Tummy Hurts by Renee Rapp.
Little Miss Perfect. To be honest, I have really bad stage fright, and I guess that helped a little bit, having to perform in front of the entire school. It was definitely terrifying, but I feel like it was a good learning experience.
I loved having that experience with Maya and getting to really bond and learn more about... I actually learned a lot of music theory doing that because we had to figure out our harmonies and our ranges for the 2 songs that we did, and I actually got really bad laryngitis, and I had to like really just thug it out.
Anyone who really loves singing, I guess. Like, for me, I really like singing, which is why I did it, even though I was terrified. So even if you're terrified, I think you should do it.
Aw, I wish I had a really cool shirt.
you know what? I'll go make a t-shirt for the senior t-shirt competition. It's perfect.
Submit your design by September 19th.
Next time we'll make it.
AI is already starting to affect jobs in all of the arts. Visual arts and music especially has seen a lot of that happen, but I think there's also quite a bit of danger there of utilizing a little too much of that and removing the human aspect from it. The other concern is that people are starting to not be able to tell the difference. There's a thing on Spotify right now that is not a real band that has millions and millions of followers. That was something that somebody just typed a prompt in and it cranked it out in 2 minutes, and to me that's not art.
I don't know, like sometimes it could give you suggestions or it might give you a new perspective that you didn't think of. But I think the one thing you have to look out for is that AI doesn't become your new thinker in a way. I definitely don't think AI should replace art as a whole, because then we'd just be getting lifeless art that doesn't really have any meaning and isn't really, created with that human passion. And I think we really need that.
Stay hopeful, CCA.